Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a BMW 5 Series F10, guys, and you need to remove or replace the intercooler pipe and you don't know how to do the clamps, guys, okay, you have special springs, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to release it and all that stuff. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW F10, guys, 5 Series from year 2009 to 2017, we'll guys be making at least 200 to 300 videos at the shop. Why? We take them completely apart, guys, simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So we teach you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you need help with anything else specific, leave a comment below, guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts tools, links will be shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let me explain what we're doing here and we'll get to the pipe. Quick introduction, guys. This is 528i BMW, but doesn't matter if you have I think a diesel, gasoline, 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be the same. They all guys attached to the intercooler the same way. Okay, you can see this is the pipe, okay, right here. Now what we'll be doing here, guys, we'll be doing timing chain replacement. That's a super weak spot on that N20 and 26 engine. So if you have one, guys, videos will be coming. Okay, you can find them on how to repair, guys. This is our main channel. We'll be taking that engine completely apart there. So if you need help with that, check it out. Now, how you guys do that? Okay, pretty simple. Let us explain now. Okay, I'll get 2 screwdrivers and I'll explain. Okay, you can see now this attaches to the intercooler side. Okay, which is all the way down there, intercooler side. You can see how the spring attaches, and it has 3 spots where it gets stuck. If you do not release all 3 of them at the same time, you will not be able to remove that pipe. And now we are going to explain, guys, how we do it and how easy it came out once we knew what to do. So what is happening now, guys? Okay, now you can see you have 2 mounts on top. So what I usually do, okay, I get a screwdriver, guys, okay, I get a screwdriver, I go right here, okay, go like that, and there is a place where it will get stuck, okay, and it will stay open like that. So this side is open now, but when I go ahead and pull that one, it will close on the other side. Okay, let me just do that, check it out. Almost hit it. Up, and it closed on the other side. So what I usually do, guys, okay, I get 1 screwdriver here, okay, to stay on one side, 1 screwdriver on one side, so let's keep it open like that. Now 1 screwdriver on this side, and it's very important, guys, to pull it down, okay, so that piece comes out as well. But now, here is what is interesting. When that thing is installed on the intercooler, okay, let go now, I think it will be good. When it's installed on the intercooler, guys, you will not be able to pull that thing down. Why? Because it will be stuck. So what you need to do, grab that hose and push it a little bit in while you're prying them out. And if that thing doesn't come out like that, to be even, guys, okay, almost even coming out, you are not going to be able to remove it, but that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.